HP EliteBook docking stations sometimes fail to detect connected monitors via HDMI or DisplayPort. This is a common issue, especially with models like the X360 series. This video will guide you through troubleshooting steps to resolve these detection failures, focusing on driver updates, hardware checks, and other common fixes. Start with initial hardware checks for your HP EliteBook docking station monitor detection issues. First, check physical connections. Ensure HDMI or DisplayPort cables are securely plugged into both the docking station and the monitor. Second, inspect the USB-C port on your EliteBook for any debris that might interfere with connections. Third, use certified HP accessories to ensure reliable signal transmission. Fourth, test with a known good cable if possible to rule out faulty cables as the cause. A simple power cycle can often resolve temporary glitches that cause monitor detection issues with HP EliteBook docking stations. First, unplug the docking station from its power source by disconnecting the power cable. Then, power off your HP EliteBook and hold the power button for 15 seconds to fully discharge any residual power. Now, restart the laptop by pressing the power button again. Finally, reconnect the docking station to the laptop after it has fully booted up. This should clear any temporary communication errors and allow proper monitor detection. This power cycle process can clear temporary glitches and restore proper monitor detection. Outdated graphics drivers are a primary cause of monitor detection issues. First, visit HP's support website to download the latest drivers for your specific EliteBook model. For models with Intel graphics, download the latest Intel graphics drivers. For models with AMD graphics, download the latest AMD Radeon drivers. Also, update the HP Display Assistant app via the Microsoft Store to version 2.3 or later. This provides real-time diagnostics and improved compatibility. To check your display settings in Windows, start by right-clicking on an empty area of your desktop and selecting Display Settings from the menu that appears. Once in Display Settings, if your connected monitor is not detected automatically, click the Detect button to force Windows to search for additional displays. If your monitor is detected but not set to extend the display, use the Multiple Displays drop-down and choose Extend these displays to use it as a second monitor. Finally, scroll down to Advanced Display Settings and verify that the resolution and refresh rate are compatible with your monitor specifications. Incorrect settings can prevent proper display. Outdated firmware on the docking station or BIOS can cause compatibility issues with monitor detection. Use the HP Support Assistant to check for and install any available firmware updates for your docking station. Also, check for BIOS updates for your EliteBook. HP has released updates like version 1.7.0 for EliteBook 840G9 that improve Thunderbolt and USB-C compatibility. If HDMI is failing, try switching to DisplayPort, as it is often more stable on HP setups. Ensure the monitor and docking station support the required HDMI or DisplayPort version for your desired resolution and refresh rate, such as HDMI 2.1 or DisplayPort 1.4. Mismatched resolutions, such as 4K at 60 Hz exceeding dock limits, can also cause issues. If the previous troubleshooting steps haven't resolved the monitor detection issue, here are some advanced solutions to consider. First, check the power wattage of your dock's power supply. It should be at least 65 watts. Underpowered setups with something like a 45-watt charger can cause detection failures. As a last resort, contact HP support for further assistance. They can provide model-specific troubleshooting steps and potential hardware replacements, especially if your EliteBook or docking station is still under warranty.